G'day people, how you going? And today I have some wine, and it's related to the word I want to teach you, which is blottoed. So someone who is blottoed is someone who's drinking so much alcohol they virtually become unconscious, so they pass out. They become blottoed. And how would you use it in a sentence? Well, you'd say, tonight I'm going to drink so much alcohol, I'm going to get blottoed. And then I am going to pass out. So, blottoed. And here I have some Pinot Noir, Yarra Valley. So, you can't use Pinot Noir in the European Union, you'd have to call it something else. And this is 13.8% alcohol. It's not as much as absinthe, which is an alcoholic drink, which is about 40 to 60%. But if you run out of this, you can use this one. Oh, what is this? Guangdong cooking wine. Guangdong, which is Guangdong, Guangdong, it's near China. Oh, it's in China. I mean, it's near Hong Kong. And this has, what's the percentage? It's 17.5% alcohol, but it's also got salt in it, 1.5%, which if you want to get blottoed, smells like nail polish remover, and that's an alcoholic. But generally, I wouldn't. Tastes salty. I wouldn't actually drink this because it's actually terrible. So, I would actually drink this one. If you want to get blottoed, you drink this one. That's a red wine. I definitely wouldn't drink that. Red wine is disgusting. I drink white wine with cordial. Put cordial. So, if you know someone who's getting blottoed, it just means that they're getting drunk. Let me put my head in between. It means that they're getting drunk. And if you're getting drunk, it means they're having a good time. So you're going to get blottoed tonight? Are you? Don't know if that's actually working. Don't know. Let's all get blottoed, people. Blottoed is how you enjoy yourself. Unless you go swimming and drown. In that case, it's really not enjoyable for you. So be safe anyway. When you drink alcohol, don't get so blottoed that you do something dangerous. Hooroo.